Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to print in black and white in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to print anything black and white, go to the insert menu. Firstly, and select a picture and insert it. Now we want to print this page black and white, go to the file option, then select the print option, then load the print preview, and we can see here the print preview. Now we want to print this page black and white, select this comparison color, then select the complete grayscale color, then convert this page black and white very easily. Now we want to print this page, click print option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.